Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to create a diamond pattern using stars in Python. So let's get started. Our task is to print a diamond pattern of stars. The number of rows in the diamond is determined by the user's input. For example, like the input is 3, the diamond will look like this. So this is the code implementation for it. So let me explain it. We define a function print diamond that takes the number of rows for the diamond pattern as input. Then in this loop we print the upper part of the diamond. For each row we print spaces. First to center the stars, then print the stars. First we print the spaces, then we print the stars. The number of stars increases as we move down the rows, starting from 1 star and going up to 2 into rows minus 1 stars. So the lower part of diamond, in this loop we print the lower part of the diamond. The number of stars decreases symmetrically from the second to last row to the first row. The spaces before the stars also decrease to maintain the shape. So here we take the input from the user for the number of rows and call the print diamond function to generate the pattern. So let's give 3 as input. It should print this pattern. Yeah, it is printing. Let's give 5 as input. It should print the pattern with 5 rows. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah. So the key concept we learned are for using nested loops, then string multiplication here, then symmetry in patterns, using loops in a structured way to print both the upper part and lower part of the diamond. And that's how you can print a diamond pattern using stars in Python. This is a great exercise for mastering loops and string formatting. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe. Stay tuned for more coding challenges, and as always, happy coding.